Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro. This tablet has been generating a lot of buzz, and there's good reason for that. It's a powerful and sleek device with a lot to offer. Let's dive in. The Xiaoxin Pad Pro boasts a premium design, with a slim aluminum frame that oozes quality. It's incredibly lightweight and comfortable to hold, which is excellent for long reading or working sessions. The standout feature here is the beautiful display. This tablet rocks an 11.2-inch or 12.7-inch depending on model OLED display, and wow! The colors are rich and saturated, blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is stunning. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery smooth scrolling and navigation. Under the hood, the Xiaoxin Pad Pro packs a powerful Snapdragon 870 processor. I've been pushing it hard with multitasking, games, and even some video editing. It handles everything with ease. No stutters, no lag, just pure power. This tablet delivers excellent sound with its quad-speaker setup tuned by JBL and featuring Dolby Atmos support. The audio is loud, clear, and surprisingly immersive for a tablet. Great for movies and music. Battery life has been solid. I can easily get a full day of use out of this tablet, even with heavy usage patterns. Plus, it supports fast charging, getting you back up and running in a jiffy. While I wouldn't use it as my primary camera, the rear and front cameras are decent and more than capable for video calls or the occasional document scan. Overall, I'm incredibly impressed with the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro. It's a premium tablet that delivers fantastic performance, gorgeous visuals, and amazing sound. If you're in the market for an Android tablet that can handle work and play with finesse, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro should absolutely be on your short list. If you're searching for a stylish and capable tablet that won't break the bank, the Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro is definitely the right choice. Click the link in the description below. It's the perfect companion for entertainment, productivity, and staying connected on the go. Thanks for watching.